How to change page orientation in Microsoft Word. If you want to change page orientation from portrait to landscape, then you need to go here under the layout tab. You will see the option of orientation. This option will allow us to change the page orientation. After clicking on the drop down, a small downward triangle, you will see these two options. Microsoft Word by default sets the page as portrait, so you need to select the option landscape, and after clicking on the landscape, all the pages in your Word document will be changed from portrait to landscape. If you want to change back to the portrait, you can go back and then just select the option portrait. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to page orientation in Microsoft Word. See you again in the next one.